What's up, everyone? Today we are going to focus on something that is very, very important while we are learning music, while we are student of this instrument. And what we are going to focus on today is how to keep rhythm, how to keep a count of whatever you're playing. So I'm sure whenever you've heard any sort of music, even when you're not learning how to play this guitar, you must have managed to get the groove and the rhythm of the song and you just start tapping your foot. I'm sure you must have noticed how, anybody on this planet can sense and feel rhythm. So you just have to make sure that you bring back the same feeling while you're learning the instrument and try and keep account of everything that you're trying to learn and play. So the most commonly used time signature or count in any sort of contemporary or popular style music is mainly 4 by 4, which is why when you see a lot of bands when they're playing live, a lot of artists when they're playing live, they tend to they keep a count either by tapping their foot or snapping their fingers. At times you'll see the drummer keeping a count on the hi-hat before they start playing the song. So that's a very crucial thing for any musician, like to be in time, to feel the rhythm, and to play in a uniform manner along with the entire band. So the most easiest way to incorporate that in your playing is by feeling the rhythm and keep counting 4 slowly. Say, for example, if this is your first day of counting or understanding rhythms, just follow what I'm doing, and I'm sure the experience is going to be complete. Here we go. Just count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it steady. Make sure that you can feel it and it's not going fast or slow. 2, 3, 4. Now, based on that pulse, I'm going to try and strum my basic chords. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. I'm going to the next chord. For example, A major. Now back. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as a beginner, you have to focus on playing on time and, more importantly, being able to change from one chord to the other on time. Say if you miss a beat and then you change the chord, you might feel that there is some sort of disconnect in the music that you're trying to learn or play. So to avoid that feeling, to avoid that disconnect feeling, make sure that you slow down your speed and play as slow as possible. So to make this a little more interesting, to make your playing a lot more interesting, what you can also learn along with this is how to count in between the beats. Don't worry, it's not that confusing. It might sound all fancy, but it's not. Uh, so when you're counting straight up 4 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's but natural for any beginner or any non-musician to count on the downbeat. That's the strongest pulse that you feel. But there's a lot that can be played in between the pocket. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and playing in between the beats. Even that is very important. So these are your two basic lesson that you can attach. So if I'm going to follow that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's mix it. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I mean, you can make tons and tons of combinations like this based on how you want to switch your chord and how you want to smoothen your transition. It's all about getting your right and left hand coordination intact and at the right pace. So it's not difficult, it's just a little time consuming. All it requires is your time and practice. So be patient and keep practicing and make sure that you get a good hang of this. See you soon.